what is up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Airsoft. We're playing in the backyard here. I'm playing against my little brother. Got a new gun while on vacation, so that's gonna be getting used today. Okay, so game starts in 3. Go, go, go! Hit. Oh, coming off strong. Got a hit. So we're gonna catch you guys on the next round. Game starts at 3. Go, go, go! What? No. You could be shooting right now. You could shoot right now. Oh, I hit him on the top of the head. So guys, we're gonna catch you guys on the next round. Oh. Ha! Let's go. In 3, 2, 1, go. So we're gonna make this more interesting here. We're on top of him. Hit! Ah, my leg. 2, 1, go. Oh! He shot. He shot that time. So we're about to go. We're gonna make this exciting. That's what I'm talking about. What? This is gonna be a fun round to see who's the champion. So guys, this is the round to see who's gonna be champion. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Isaac, keep playing. Keep playing. Put him up. That's what I talked about, guys. Well, I won. So, yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next. Peace.